Hello to all and welcome of all students in Valsadhana group of institution. Students, today we are going to discuss another biology topic is spermiogenesis or spermatogenesis. First of all, we must know definition of spermiogenesis. Students, this is spermatid. Spermatid is a haploid structure because it forms by the process or by the meiosis division. But shape of spermatid is round. It is heavy structure and non-motile because locomotory structure absent in spermatid. Spermatid convert sperm, which process is called spermiogenesis or spermatogenesis. Sperm or male gamete or male genital structures. It is haploid structures, but shape of sperm is spoon shape. It is light structure compared to spermatid and motile because sperm to have tail or flagella. Tail or flagella is a locomotory structure of sperm. So once again, definition of spermiogenesis or spermatogenesis: formation of sperm from spermatid, which process is called spermiogenesis. Students, spermiogenesis is a complicated process. So, some specific changes in spermatid during spermiogenesis. Some specific changes in spermatid during spermiogenesis or spermatogenesis. First specific change is in mitochondria. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound cell organelles. It found plant and animals or both plant and animals. It is also an energy powerhouse of cell. Once again, mitochondria, it is a double membrane bound cell organelles but found both plant and animal cell. During spermiogenesis, once again, during spermiogenesis, mitochondria of spermatid arrange a ribbon shape structure around the basal part of axial filament in middle piece part of sperm. Student, sperm is a male genital structure or male gamete. Middle piece, it is a part of sperm located in middle part. Axial filament, it is a filament like structures but forms by distal centriole. Distal centriole, it is a part of centriole or but formation by centrosome. Second, third like or ribbon like structures, mitochondria, double membrane bound cell organelles. Once again, during spermiogenesis, mitochondria of spermatid arrange a ribbon shape. In spermatid, mitochondria found a non-specific arrangement, but in sperm, mitochondria to arrange a specific arrangement. This specific arrangement is a ribbon shape. For example, or I draw ribbon shape arrangement of mitochondria, spermatid inside mitochondria. This is spermatid, mitochondria. During spermiogenesis, mitochondria arrange a ribbon shape. This is middle piece, it is a part of sperm. It is axial filament. This is mitochondria. Mitochondria arrange a ribbon shaped structure. It is called Nebenkern. It means arrangement of mitochondria in sperm middle piece part as a ribbon shaped structures. It is called Nebenkern. A thin condensed cytoplasm are located in middle piece part. It is called manchet. First, specific changes during spermiogenesis in spermatid mitochondria to arrange a ribbon shaped structures in middle piece part. Second, specific changes in centrosome. Student, centrosome is without membrane cell organelles. It is located only animal cell, but structures of centrosome is as like a cart wheel, so it is also known cart wheel cell organelles. During spermiogenesis, centrosome modified and forms two centriole or centrosome to have two centriole. First is proximal centriole. First is proximal centriole. It means PC. Second is distal centriole. It means DC. First is first centriole is PC. This centriole located nearby nucleus, so it is called proximal centriole. It means nomenclature of proximal centriole is on the basis of distance. Second centriole is distal centriole. Distal centriole located far to nucleus, so it is called distal centriole. Next, function of PC, proximal centriole. Student, proximal centriole help in cleavage. Cleavage is as like a mitosis. In humans, initiation of cleavage in fallopian tube or oviduct part. Fallopian or oviduct is a accessory reproductive part. In female human, cleavage after fertilization. In zygote is a diploid cell, single diploid cell. Fertilization, it means fusion of male and female gamete. Cleavage, it means it is as like a mitosis. First time after fertilization, initiation of cleavage in oviduct part, but structure in zygote. Second, function of distal centriole. Distal centriole forms axial filament. Distal centriole forms axial filament. This is axial filament forms by distal centriole. Axial filament. Axial filament is main part of sperm tail. It is a part of sperm. It is longest part of sperm. It is locomotory structures in sperm. Sperm, it is male gamete. It is filament-like structures, but forms by distal centriole. Once again, function of PC, it means proximal centriole. PC help in cleavage as like a mitosis. After fertilization in zygote, next DC2 forms axial filament. Third, specific changes during spermiogenesis. During spermiogenesis, removing of extra cytoplasm it means cell, it means fluid, it means fluid of cell. From spermatid, spermatid is a haploid structure but forms in maturation phase. Maturation, it is a phase of formation of spermatid. So spermatid cytoplasm become condensed cytoplasm located in middle piece part of sperm. Condensed cytoplasm is called menchet, located in middle piece part, as like a thin layer. Once again, during spermiogenesis, removing of extra cytoplasm from spermatid, so spermatid cytoplasm become condensed cytoplasm located in middle piece, it is a part of sperm. Students, these are some specific changes during spermiogenesis. These specific changes related to mostly the loss of weight of sperm, because if sperm heavy, so cannot easily move. Next specific changes is formation of a chromosome or development of a chromosome. Fourth, formation of a chromosome or development of a chromosome. Students, during spermiogenesis, Golgi body, it is single membrane bound cell organelles, but function of Golgi body is secretion described by Camillo Golgi in oval and cat nerve cell. So it is cell organelles, single membrane bound. Once again, during spermiogenesis, Golgi body of spermatid become differentiated into a chromosome. It means formation of a chromosome from Golgi body by the process of differentiation or spermiogenesis. A chromosome located in tip part of sperm. Students, I draw a figure of development of formation of a chromosome. First of all, I draw nucleus of spermatid. This is nucleus of spermatid. Spermatid nucleus is haploid and to have unpaired chromosome. Unpaired chromosome bind prota means protein. Next, this is Golgi body. In spermatid, Golgi body found in many cycle. Middle in cycles located vacuole. This is vacuole or it is vacuole. It is Golgi body. Golgi body located as a cycle form during development or during formation of acrosome or during spermiogenesis. One or more vacuoles increase oven shape and size. Increasing vacuole to have a micro structures. It is called proacrosomal granule. It is Golgi body located in many cycles. During development, all vacuoles proper integrated or proper binded and to forms a single large vacuoles. Single large vacuoles to have a large condensed structures. It is called acrosomal granule. This is Golgi body. This is nucleus. During spermiogenesis or spermatoeleosis, increasing the shape, size and volume of vacuoles and increasing shape and size of acrosomal granule. Acrosomal granule. This is Golgi body. Again, increasing the vacuole shape. Proacrosomal granules, Golgi body. Finally, vacuoles to secrete vacuolar shape or cell shape and vacuole membrane. This is vacuole membrane, cell shape, acrosomal granules, Golgi body, covered to half anterior part of nucleus as a bilobed forms. This is bilobed forms. This is acrosome. This is bilobed layer. It is called cape of sperm. This is nucleus. Acrosome to have many enzymes like hyaluronidase, catechin, acid phosphatase, acrosomin, proacrosomin. These enzymes dissolve ovum membrane or egg membrane during fertilization. This is perforatorium. Perforatorium to forms acrosomal filament during fertilization. So, development of acrosome or formation of acrosome. Once again, during spermiogenesis, Golgi body of spermatid become differentiated into acrosome. It means acrosome forms by Golgi body. First of all, formation of acrosome or development of acrosome. To explain a specific diagram, so I draw some diagram for related development of acrosome. First of all, nucleus of spermatid, Golgi body vacuoles. Golgi body located many cycles. During spermiogenesis, one or more vacuoles shape and size increase, and large vacuoles to have proacrosomal granules. Again, formation of acrosome, all vacuoles proper integrated and forms a single large vacuoles to attach tip part of nucleus, and increasing the shape of vacuoles. These vacuoles to have acrosomal granules. Finally, vacuoles to release cell shape, and vacuolar membrane arrange a bilobe forms on tip part of nucleus, and acrosomal granules forms as like a acrosome. Acrosome to have many enzymes like hyaluronidase, catephin, acid phosphatase, acrosomin. These enzymes dissolve the egg membrane or ovum membrane. Next is control of spermatogenesis or regulation of spermatogenesis. Students, control or regulation of spermatogenesis by hormone, first, second, temperature, third, mental stage. First, hormone, it is a chemical substance but secreted by endocrine gland and function on a specific target organ. Temperature, it is a physical factor. And third, mental stage. First of all, hormone. Hormone, chemical substance it is. It is chemical substance secreted by endocrine glands in tiny amount. Spermatogenesis, student, first word sperm, second genesis to formation. It means formation of spermatid or formation of mature sperm. This process is called spermatogenesis. Control specific hormones, GnRH. It means gonadotropic releasing hormone. It means chemical substance secreted by endocrine glands. Gonado, it means a combination of testis and ovary. Testis, it is a primary or main reproductive organ in male humans because synthesis or formation of sperm in testis part. Ovary, it is a main or primary reproductive organ in female humans. So combinedly we say gonads. Second, GnRH is a combination of LH and FSH. FSH, it means follicle stimulating hormones. LH, it means luteinizing hormones. Main function of LH is to stimulate ovulation, to stimulate spermatogenesis. So combination of LH and FSH is called GnRH. GnRH is a hypothalamic hormone. Hypothalamic hormone. Hypothalamus, it is a part of brain. So first is LH, second is FSH. LH and FSH secreted by pituitary gland. Pituitary is endocrine gland. Pituitary to have two lobes. In anterior part, anterior lobe or adenohypophysis. In posterior part of pituitary is posterior lobe or neurohypophysis. So adenohypophysis to secrete LH and FSH. First LH, it means luteinizing hormones. LH hormone to stimulate Leydig cell, other name interstitial cell. Leydig cells to secrete androgen hormone. It is a male hormone. Androgen hormones to control or to stimulate spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. First. Second is FSH. FSH, it means follicle stimulating hormone. Stimulate Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell to control spermiogenesis. Control or stimulate spermiogenesis. Once again, control of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis control or regulate by many factors, many substances. First of all, hormones. It is a chemical substance but secreted by endocrine gland. First hormone is GnRH. It is hypothalamic hormones. It means secreted by hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, it is a part of brain or sub part of brain. Full form of GnRH, gonadotropic releasing hormones. GnRH is combination of LH and FSH. LH and FSH secreted by anterior or adenohypophysis. They are type of or they are lobe of pituitary gland. First LH, it means luteinizing hormones, stimulate Leydig cells to secrete androgen hormone to secrete to control or stimulate spermatogenesis. FSH, stimulate Sertoli cell control spermiogenesis. Students, other name of Leydig cell is interstitial cell. So function of interstitial is secretion of androgen hormones. It is male hormones, other name testosterone hormones. Sertoli cells to secrete a specific hormones. It is called inhibin hormones. Inhibin, it is a protein nature hormones. But function of Sertoli cells is to provide nutrition for developing sperm. Second, support to developing sperm. Third, to secrete specific hormones inhibin. Once again, Sertoli cell to provide nutrition to developing sperm, support to developing sperm. Third, to secrete specific hormones inhibin. It is protein nature hormones inhibin to control to FSH hormone. In plants, all of you know, male reproductive organ is androspium, but single unit of androspium is stamen. If to take TS of stamen, so 4 layers. This is figure of stamen. Filament, connective tissue, they are anther. If we take a TS of anther, anther it is a part of stamen. So to see four layer, first epidermis, second endothecium, third middle layer, fourth tapetum. Tapetum it is a innermost layer of anther. Anther it is a part of stamen. Stamen is a single unit of androspium. Tapetum it is a part of anther, yeah, it is a layer of anther, or it is innermost layer of anther. Mostly two types. First is amoeboid, second is glandular. During development in plants, tapetum to provide nutrition to developing pollen grain. It means pollen grain related to male in plants. But in animals, in humans, Sertoli cell to provide nutrition to developing sperm, tapetum to provide nutrition to developing pollen grain. This topic include in chapter 2, page number 8. Students, next day we discuss another biology topic or lecture, structure of sperm. Thanks.